Okay, as you can see, we successfully got our target. Yeah, we got our target again. Hello everyone, welcome to this TradeX path. Today we are going to discuss about a price action strategy called change of character or cost trading. This is a very powerful strategy used by many traders. And if you master this strategy, you will going to become profitable in the market. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, to apply this strategy, we need to open our trading platform and open our desired chart, whether it's stocks, crypto, forex, or future. You have to just open your favorite chart on your trading platform. After this, we need to choose our time frame because this time frame will going to matter whether we are doing swing trading or we are doing intraday or we are jumping into the investing. So this is the thing which matters a lot. If you don't see this kind of options here, you have to just click on this little icon and choose your desired time frame. To demonstrate this strategy today, I will going to choose one day from the drop down menu. Click it and see how my chart is now opened in daily time frame. Okay, after this we need to understand the market structure, or you can say market character first. See, when market moves in downtrend, we will going to see this kind of pattern like this. See how market is moving in a wave format, and after this, when the market is going up also, market used to go in a wave format. See, when market is going down, or you can say market is in downtrend, you will going to notice lower lows are forming. Okay, and along with this you can see lower highs are forming. And when market is going up, or you can say market is in uptrend, that time market used to form higher highs, means this high is higher than this high. And as well as you can see the lows are also forming in higher direction, means this low is higher than this low and this low is also higher than this low. So what we are seeing in downtrends, lower low and lower highs are forming, and is an uptrend, market is forming higher highs and higher lows. So this is the common market structure or common character of the market. Okay, so now let's understand when the market is shifting or character of the market is changing. See, all the highs are forming in a lower direction in downtrend, but this time you can see this high is higher than this high. So if I draw a trend line from here, you can see this high formed above this high, means here we can see or witness a change of character or coach, means the character of the market is now shifting. So now how we will going to enter to the trade? See, to enter to this trade, we need to delete this and draw a line from our previous high. So let's draw a trend line from its previous high. See, after drawing this line, you can see this candle closed above to our previous high. That's mean we have to understand that the change of character happened in this area. So after this, we will not going to jump to this trade. We need to wait to candle to come again to this trend line. As you can see, after closing above, the market came down to this trend line again to grab the liquidity and the pending orders. So we will going to enter to the bullish trade or long setup. Our stop loss will be our previous swing low, and we will going to jump to take the profit of 1:3. So here you can see we set our target to 1:3. So let's check it out whether we got our target or hit our stop loss. Okay, as you can see, we successfully got our target. Okay, let's understand a bearish setup. Here you can see a change of character happened. We need to draw a trend line from our previous swing low. Here, as you can see, market gave a breakdown. So we will going to wait to market to come to this trend line. Here, market opened above to this trend line. So we will going to take trade here or enter to the trade. Our stop loss will be our previous swing high like this. And we will going to aim for 1:3, but our stop loss got triggered. But nothing to worry, we are taking 1:3. So if our 3 trades goes wrong, our 1 trade will going to make up or recover all of our losses. So we don't need to worry about anything. So here again market came here but didn't break its previous low. But here as you can see market breaks its previous low. So I'm going to draw a trend line from here, and after market change the character of itself, we will going to wait to retest this line. Here as you can see, after the change of character market came here again. So we will going to take our short trade here, and our stop loss will be our previous swing high. Which one? This one. And we will going to aim for 1:3. Yeah, we got our target again. This is a pure price action strategy. If you follow this area also, you will going to get a lot of trades. See how with only change of character we got this kind of massive targets. So hope you understand about change of character, or you can say coach trading. If you like this video, don't forget to join our family by subscribing our channel. See you on the next video. Till then, happy trading.